Glass Starter Kit by Leah France. We're thrilled to introduce you to the remarkable Stained Glass Starter Kit by Leah France, a treasure trove of creativity and inspiration. Let's dive right in and explore the incredible contents of this kit, designed to make your crafting experience truly exceptional. First, we have our best-selling stained glass stencil. With intricate designs that echo the timeless beauty of stained glass windows, this stencil is your key to creating breathtaking layouts. Accompanying the stencil, we have not one, but two marking pens. These pens are your artistic partners, helping you outline and highlight the intricate patterns with ease. We're including two scrapbooking papers. Next, feast your eyes on the set of 5 sample photos, carefully curated to spark your creativity, and are the foundation for your masterpiece. To ensure your creative canvas stays in place, we provide you with 2 clips. These handy clips securely hold your paper to the stencil, so you can work without any worries. Now let's talk about the heart of guidance, our detailed step-by-step instruction booklet. With clear and easy-to-follow directions, this booklet is your crafting GPS, ensuring you create with confidence. Are you on the hunt for the perfect gift for yourself, for your friends, or your family? Look no further. The Leah France Stained Glass Starter Kit is your passport to turning memories into masterpiece layouts. Don't miss the chance to unwrap the magic of artistic possibilities. Order yours today and embark on a journey of creativity, expression, and joy. Elevate your crafting game with the Leah France Stained Glass Starter Kit. Our premium quality products are proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch craftsmanship. And we offer worldwide shipping along with 24/7 customer support to provide a seamless shopping experience for our customers. Pamper yourself today with Stained Glass Starter Kit by Leah France. Keep crafting and keep smiling.